Welcome back to the channel. In the previous episode, we completed a momentous milestone, reaching the finish line of the cross-country bike trail here in South Korea. In today's episode, we're getting things ready for our ferry ride to Japan, but before we set sail, we have to sort out a few things here in Busan. We cycled all the way from here, went up with Chantron, back down, then all the way down, Actually, I think we went over here as well, to Chungyu Dam, yes, went all the way down. We didn't do this one, down, all the way to Busan. Look at the fish. This is the welcome committee when you arrive in Busan, and friendly locals. I'm trying to turn around. The naked work. Yes. Yeah, that's good. So we're just making our way to the international port to see if we can bring our ticket to Japan forward a little bit.
Riding on the road, you've got to be a little bit ballsy. Arrived at the port. It's just a matter of finding the right building. Okay, so we're at the port of Busan. We're just making our way back to the motel we found close by.
Here it is. We are just here travelling the back streets of Busan, trying to find a power wash to clean the bikes and to do some laundry. And we travelling, I think, what's the fish markets. Look at the size of these fish. Some crabs. So many of them in here.
These things I've never seen these before.
What are they?
I don't know.
I have no idea what
They look like some kind of a shell. See the shells in there?
Yeah.
I reckon they peeled them out of the shells. That's what it is. And the car wash was a no-go because it was just for cars and it was a car wash, I think.
Oh, okay.
So we'll have to...
Plan B. This looks like all dried fish. Shrimp. Little sardines. Some more over here.
Really clean, isn't it?
Yes, it does look very tidy. And some sort of seaweed. Definitely smells very fishy. I had one of these in my soup the other day, my beef soup. It was a very strong taste.
You know all these bits of wood, they must use this in their cooking.
Maybe.
And those chips up there.
Don't know what these things are. Looks very foreign. And here's a whole market. Alleyway. More fish. They all seem to have very similar products. Oh, there's some mushrooms there. Surprised there's not more flies actually here. What do we got here? Looks like a lot of chili.
Not cheap, some of these.
A lot of chili.
Everything to do with fish.
Well, I mean, we are at the port, Busan port.
And the fish market. That's all been that way.
Yeah. I'm actually
26,500 kilo.
I'm surprised there's not more flies about. There's a couple.
If this was in Australia, you wouldn't be able to get through here.
Wonder how long it takes to dry these fish. We've got some colourful, it looks like lollies, and some nuts, and powder, and almonds. Sydney, 7,980 kilometers. Seoul, 330. But on a bicycle, it was double that. still looking for a car wash or a bike wash or laundry for that matter. So yeah, we've been riding around in circles and trying to find somewhere to pressure wash these bikes before we take them to Japan. Haven't had much luck. We asked a car mechanic and he said no, there's nothing nearby. In the meantime, I thought I'd wear jeans today. Look what happened. Put the grease on my pants. Definitely in need of a laundry. I was only saying earlier how fortunate we've been with our washing at the hotels we've stayed, where they have, but we have been able to do laundry in house, or they've even done it for us. But it's a beautiful day in Busan today, up to 25 degrees with a slight chill in the air still, and I do quite enjoy cruising the back streets. They're quite sizable.
Very big.
She's cutting the hard bits off for you. Underground shopping in Busan. Colourful lollies. It looks like squid.
Oh no, it is squid, yeah.
What are you eating?
Squid.
Dried squid.
Sweet and very fishy.
I love all the different types of mushrooms. All the little fish all strung together. So we're here at the sushi train having a little bite of lunch.
At the lobby.
They're coming by very fast.
It's a very fast train.
It's fast. It's like the Shinkansen, even though we're in Korea. But we have a little miso. It's very tasty. And then we've got this tuna.
I think.
Sashimi.
I think it's
Niri.
Yeah, nori.
And then in these little boxes here we have onions and ginger.
What do you reckon that's ginger? Do you want a salmon one?
Yep. So I ducked upstairs to put the washing and everything upstairs, and I came back down with my microfiber cloth, but it's all done.
Oh, you can wipe them, mate. You can
all clean.
give them a wipe if you want.
Yes.
While
Okay.
they're clean, while they're wet.
Yep, I'll do that.
Put the stand down.
So there, very filthy. So the spray worked well.
Yeah, got the all the gunk off the chain and surrounding areas.
Yeah. looking nice and shiny again. There's a few scratches on there. Hey.
Yeah, they've got a few war injuries. It would have been a lot easier gurney.
Yes, well, we tried.
Pretty sure we can do the washing when we get to Japan.
Yeah. Okay. How's that?
Good enough. Good enough. Just back.
Let's go clean the tent now, I suppose.
So this is what we've decided to send home. We have 2 spare storage bags here, our camping seats, our certificates, 1 bike cover, the tent and mat, cooking pots, life straws which we don't need anymore, didn't need them in the first place, 2 sleeping bags, 2 mattresses, pillows, glasses that we don't need, clothes in the middle here that we've decided we don't use or don't need, our coffee cup. I lost the other coffee cup so it doesn't have to go home, but this is the sort of weight that we're looking at. I think it'll be somewhere around 12 to 15 kilograms, which we are looking forward to getting rid of.